Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys outlining the opportunities you have available to you for your business and growing its online presence. So first off, looking at your guys' Facebook page, you guys have some great reviews on here, great pictures. Looks like you guys do some fantastic work. So definitely you guys are doing well in that department. Looking at your guys' Google My Business page, again, great reviews on here. You have all this information filled out, which is fantastic. My one recommendation on this Google My Business page is that you guys fill out your description. I'm not seeing that filled out at all on here. And with that description, definitely make sure you're getting some high search volume keywords in there for these search terms that you really want to pull up for, so that when people are making those searches, you guys are pulling up in those search results for that. But definitely you guys are doing a fantastic job on your Google My Business page. So what I wanted to go over with you guys today here is some high search volume keywords that I found that I think could generate a lot of new traffic headed to your guys' business. I wasn't able to find a lot in the Lorain area. I did see that Cleveland is about 39 minutes away, and really you guys are ranking decently in the Lorain area. I mean, you guys had the #1 spot for the GMB. So you guys are doing well in that, but expanding out into these other markets like Cleveland, I definitely think you guys could generate a lot of traffic towards your guys' business. So looking at keywords, we're going to head over a tool I use called Ahrefs. And with this tool, I'm able to see search volumes for different keywords. So hardwood floor refinishing Cleveland, you're getting 90 searches per month. Hardwood floor refinishing Cleveland, Ohio, you're getting 30. So in total, you're get a good chunk of search volume here that could be headed towards your guys' website if you guys had one up and got it into the top spot for these search terms. Being in the top spot for all of these, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic. So about 50 people a month would be headed to your guys' website looking for your services just from the Cleveland area. So we're going to be looking at hardwood floor refinishing Cleveland. Is what we're going to be basing this off of today. So we're going to look at what the competition is for this and what you guys have to do to get your website into the top spot for this search term. Obviously, you guys know how the GMB works. A big part of the GMB and ranking that GMB is actually what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great examples you can find for citations would be like Yelp or Yellow Book. These directory sites where you can list that information. The more citations you have, the better your chances are of being in this 3-pack. Another big factor for how you can get into this is actually your organic rankings for your website. So if you guys do decide to get a website built for your business, once you organically get that ranked, it would also allow you guys to kind of capture some of these markets that you aren't currently invested in at all. For the area where you guys are at right now, not a lot of the businesses in that area have websites, so you guys have been able to claim a spot in that 3-pack. But as you get into these more populated areas, that website's definitely going to help you guys be able to still get into this 3-pack and organically have your website ranked here. Looking at Sandman, Wood Floor Refinishing, Cleveland, Ohio, looking at their website, they do have a decent website, but there is definitely one thing they're lacking in, and that's the amount of content they have on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google. They looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So they are definitely missing that mark. And I think that if you guys were to get a website built out and get that amount of content on there, you'd definitely be able to pass them up in the search rankings. But yeah, I'm not really overly impressed with the website and what they have going on here. Looking at the back end of their website, there's one thing that we really focus on here, and that's what's known as backlinks. The whole internet is built out of links from one website to another, and it's kind of a big factor in what influences how websites rank. So by linking one website to a popular website, it's in turn going to bring up the popularity of your website and make it more popular in Google's eyes and bring it up in the search results. So for this particular company, they have 17 backlinks or links to other websites from 8 referring domains. And that referring domain is really important because that's really the number of websites, because you can get multiple backlinks from one referring domain. So the competition for this area is really pretty low for this search term. You guys could really stand to jump into this area and claim a pretty good search volume headed towards your guys' business in a short amount of time. So if you have any questions on any of this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.